Dress up your outdoor space with the Dyna-Glo stainless steel 73-inch pyramid flame patio heater. This heater features a mesmerizing glass tube that highlights the flame inside. Its fashionable stainless steel finish will complement any outdoor decor. The one-step electronic ignition system allows you to turn the unit on with just a push of a button. Featuring a variable temperature control, this heater provides the perfect touch of warmth for a chilly evening. At 42,000 BTUs, it can heat up to a 10-foot radius, ensuring that anyone sitting around the heater is comfortable in cool weather. The 20-pound propane tank is discreetly tucked away behind an easy access door so you can adjust or replace the tank as needed. The attached wheels allow you to move the heater around the patio effortlessly when the unit is turned off. Made of sturdy stainless steel, the unit also features an auto shut-off safety mechanism for the unlikely situation that the unit were to be tipped over. Brackets for permanent installation are included to fix the unit to the ground. Power it up and enjoy your outdoor space well into the cooler seasons with the stainless steel 73-inch pyramid flame patio heater from Dyna-Glo.
Enjoy your patio in all seasons with this attractive stainless steel tabletop patio heater from FireSense. The power of 10,000 BTUs of heat output will keep you and your loved ones warm and comfortable outdoors during the chilly season. This heater uses a standard 1-pound LP gas cylinder, which is not included with your purchase. The stainless steel materials give this heater the style you want and the quality that will last year after year. This lightweight and portable tabletop heater comes with an oxygen depletion sensor and a tilt shut-off switch for safety. This exciting heater from FireSense is an ideal solution for any outdoor living space. FireSense, the fire of living.